Good morning, student. So let's start today's teaching. Before starting today's spread, in last spread what I taught you, I will revise in very short. In last spread we seen about angles and its type: right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. So now come to the today's further teaching, that is circle. A bangle, a bicycle wheel, a cart wheel. All the above objects are circular. ये सब ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से है? सर्कल है, सर्कुलर इन शेप. So in circle, center, radius, diameter and chord are there. Take a small steel ball, place it upside down on a piece of paper and trace its outline. The figure you get on the piece of paper is a circle. Now what you have to do? You have to take a small steel ball. एक बॉल लेना है और इसको क्या करना है, एक पेज पर ऐसा प्लेस करके उसका सर्कल का शेप बनाया, उसे कट करना है. और जब आप कट करेंगे तो आपको इस तरह का सर्कल का शेप बन जाएगा. Now take one of the fold it as shown in the picture. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. The line is called a chord of the circle. Now see, वो सर्कल को आपको क्या करना है, इस तरह से फोल्ड करना है. सी, जब हम इसे ट्रेस करेंगे इस पर फिर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है लाइकवाइज. अब ये लाइन ड्रॉ करने के बाद ये जो हमें मिल रहा है, गेटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू, व्हाट इट इज अ chord, chord. It is a chord of the circle. Now next one. Now fold another circular shape to divide it into two halves. Trace the line of the fold with a pencil. This line is called a diameter of the circle. अब इस सर्कल को हम जब ऐसा फोल्ड करेंगे, draw a line and see what it is. It is a diameter of the circle. diameter, diameter. Now see this one. Now fold the shape again so that we get the quarter part of the shape. अब क्या करना है, हमें इसे इस तरह से फोल्ड करना है लाइकवाइज. अब जब हम इसे ओपन करेंगे, so what it is? It is a center. See, center of the circle and draw this line. Now name the center of the circle M. Take any point on the circle. Draw the line MP with your ruler. MP is the radius of the circle. It is a center. Here we write M, here P. Draw this line. So it is a radius of the circle. Now you can observe this chord, diameter, center and radius. Center, radius, diameter and chord of the circle. Got all of you? Understanding all of you? समझ में आ रहा है what it is? Chord, diameter, center and it is a radius. Now see next one. Drawing a circle using a compass. Take a piece of paper. Choose any point near the middle of the paper. Take a suitable distance between the steel tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil. Place the steel tip on the chosen point. Hold it in place and turn the pencil tip around it to trace a circle. Drawing a circle using a compass. हमें circle draw करना है compass use करके. Now see, it is a compass. It is a steel point and it is pencil. Now you want to draw the circle. हमने एक पेज पे सर्कल किस तरह से ड्रॉ करना है. Any one point you have to choose in middle. Likewise you have to keep your steel point and hold it place and turn the pencil tip around it slowly. See, दिख रहा है आपको किस तरह सर्कल बन रहा है? How to draw a circle using a compass. बन गया हमारा सर्कल. Next one. Mark with a red pencil the point at which you held the steel tip. Now cut out this circle. अब ये जो आया है इसे हमने मार्क किया है. Observe that these two diameter meet the red point. It means that the red point is the center of the circle. Red point इधर हमने मार्क किया है. Now see, इसे इस तरह फोल्ड कर देंगे. Getting? It is what? It means that the red point is the center of the circle. Red point क्या है? सर्कल का सेंटर है. So now, in short, I will explain you what it is a circle. Circle. O is the center of a circle. Chord. A line joining any two points of the circle is called chord. Now diameter. A line dividing circle into two parts and which is passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. The diameter is also chord of the circle. Radius. Line from center of the circle joining any part of the circle is called radius. I hope so you all of you understand it. Student, if you are having any doubt related this one, you can ask me. Why? Because whatever I am teaching you, these all are your basic concept. If your basic concept is not clear, so you have difficulty in maths in future. अगर आपको कुछ भी difficulty से related कोई concept समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप मुझे दोबारा पूछ सकते हैं. I will explain it again. So come to the today's homework. Observe the figure below and write right angle, acute angle और obtuse angle in the box below each figure. ये figure आपको observe करके कौन से टाइप के एंगल है, which type of angle you have to write down, and this one you have to copy in your notebook also. Now make right angles by joining the dot in the box below. ये dot join करके आपको क्या बनाना है? Likewise right angle. See. Make acute angle by joining the dots. और ये dot join करके acute angle, which one is smaller than the right angle. Make obtuse angle by joining the dots. ये dot join करके तुमको क्या बना है? Obtuse angle, which one is bigger than the right angle. Getting? This activity you have to complete in your textbook only. No need to write in your notebook. Only this figure you have to write in your notebook. And one more homework. See, look at each circle. Is the line shown by the arrow or chord or diameter or a radius of the circle? Write it in the box below. What it is? Each circle तुमको अच्छे से देखना है और what it is a chord है, diameter और radius है. You have to write in this box proper. This also you have to write in your notebook. Getting all of you? What is your homework? So today we shall stop over here and we may